Chinese fried rice with eggs, the tastiest recipe I've ever made. I'll start by putting 3 eggs in a bowl. Separate the yolks from the whites. If you want to keep receiving our recipes, don't forget to interact with this video. Beat the eggs very well. Place the eggs in a bowl with a cup of cooked rice. Mix well until the rice turns yellow. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. I'm going to cut 2 sausages into small pieces. Make this recipe at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. An easy recipe with few ingredients. Add a drizzle of oil to a frying pan. 1 chopped onion. 1 chopped carrot. Sauté everything for a minute. Add the sausage we've cut up. And 100 grams of peas. Mix well. Let me know which recipe you'd like to see here, so I can bring you more varied recipes. Add a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. I'll mix these spices very well. Now I'll remove everything and set it aside. I'll add a drizzle of oil to the same pan. We can now add the rice and eggs. Fry it for a minute. Add the egg whites. Mix well. Now add the rest of the ingredients. Don't forget to rate this recipe from 0 to 10. That way I'll know how much you liked it. And our recipe is ready. The quickest and easiest recipe you'll ever make for your family. It's simply delicious. Thanks for watching, see you next time and enjoy.